Tell you what, guys, I'm ready for harvest. So I'm just topping the truck off here. And let's see here. Don't have the gate open real far, just because it's almost full. Windows are dirty, but we're getting close to harvest, and I'm getting excited. Just topping this truck off here, but kind of get towards the end of the hauling season, and I know he's sick of driving, and I'm getting sick of sweeping. It gets you thinking inside the grain bin. You think if I could go down to like the gym workout areas in town, you think people would pay me their gym membership fees in order to come out and work out by shoveling corn for us? Maybe? I don't know. I hope so. It'd be nice. Well, it is September 6th, the morning here, and about 5 a.m. Loading a truck, sweeping a bin. It's 50 degrees out. I'm taking full advantage of this weather. I'm gonna try to finish sweeping. A little tricky inside the bin, but regardless, I will take it over the heat anytime. So yeah, we're still going, hauling corn. Hopefully gonna wrap it up within the next couple days, hopefully. So yeah, I'm rocking my radio headphones today. I got my mask and I got a headlamp because it's dark in there. A little tricky to see, but like I said, worth it because it's so much cooler out. I just got off my shift from last night, so it's not like I woke up to do this, although I might have considered it for how nice it is right now. But I just got off shift from overnight, so I got a couple hours in me, so I figured I'd come out here instead of waking up in the morning and helping them load the trucks after a couple hours of sleep. Just keep going, load the trucks, and then crash and sleep all day before work tonight. So a little after 7 a.m. I think by the time I got rolling, it was probably closer to 5 by the time I started loading stuff. So 2 to 2.5 hours of sweeping this morning here. Cart mostly full, truck full, and then there's a truck full around the corner. So sun's coming up, but it's bedtime for me. So yeah, everything's loaded, and he can start hauling today. And he's got, oh man, I had a mask on, but there's always stuff still stuck around your face where the mask was. He can haul 2 loads, and then he can load this into a truck. And there's a little bit in one of the big gravity wagons if he wants to transfer it through the leg and into a truck. So he can haul 3 loads. And then there's still 1 more load that I just couldn't get out, no room to go with it. So 1 more load in the bin and we're done. That's it, no more hauling. And we're gonna start focusing on getting equipment ready because it's gonna sneak up on us. So that's what's going on here, and thanks for watching this. Have a good day, be safe, and we'll check you later.